That guy needs to mow that. Look at that grass. Holy crap. Looks like Vietnam over at that elementary school. As we secretly plot our path through the jungle.
Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Guten Tag, everyone. It's your boy Blah here with IronCross-Racing, coming to you on a Friday, on my way to work. It's supposed to not rain today. I saw the blue skies poking out, and since it's supposed to rain this weekend, thought it'd be good idea to take the old silver bullet into work. Since it's casual Fridays at my employer, I typically like to ride in on Friday. It also helps me prepare and start to feel better towards the weekend. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that sky's sexy. Ah, look at that sunrise. Now, one thing you might not notice about me, especially in this video, is I am definitely not a morning person. Usually I wake up and I'm quite the zombie, I would say, until about 9-10 o'clock. Before that time, it's usually not good to converse with me.
Good morning, sunshine. Such a beautiful day out today.
Morning. Are you okay?
He's not really awake yet.
Oh, I had the best workout this morning.
Wait, like before work?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, you're serious?
Even after a cup of coffee or two, I don't know, it just takes a while for my brain to get going in the morning. I typically don't sleep in extremely late. On the weekend, sleeping in to me is like 8 o'clock. Typically I'm up and at 'em quite early. I would say about anywhere between 7 and 8. But yeah, just like I said, very slow to get my engines going in the morning. So tell me about you guys. Are you guys more morning people or night people? I definitely find that I've kind of to force myself to go to sleep at night, knowing that I definitely like to get a full anywhere from 6 to 8 hours of sleep, or else I get real cranky. So yeah, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Are you guys people that wake up and ready to go in the day, or you're like, oh man, F this, and you're, you know, I'll wait till the evening when I actually wake up. One thing I've been reading up on a little bit in regards to some of the motovloggers and YouTube celebrities out there that got me thinking a little bit was that on doing charity work. You know, working with good causes, donating money, you know, kind of creating, you know, various charity rides and fundraisers. Seems like a lot of people out there in the community, in the YouTube community, or at least in the motorcycle biking community, are kind of doing that kind of work. And I think it's awesome. One of the ones I was reading about recently is the Henri one, and some of the good work he's doing, kind of playing it forward. This got me thinking about myself, and it's like I've always admired individuals who do that kind of charity work, and I've always thought about doing it myself, but just never have. I mean, for me, it's more about maybe donating my money, but not necessarily my time. But to me, that seems very impersonal. You know, it's like I'd much rather, it's like, for an example, just an example, if I was doing Wounded Warriors, donating to that organization, I wouldn't necessarily want to just send them cash. I would want to see what my cash is doing, impacting the lives of the people that money's going to. Because it just seems very impersonal when you're helping somebody out just to kind of throw money a certain direction. And I know that there's some organizations that do, I mean, there's different ways that you can volunteer or donate to this. You can donate your time, you can donate your money, you can donate both. I know there's an organization here in San Antonio, I'll add the name of it here. You can go out and, you know, kind of get partnered with the family, and what you do, then it's all military, so it's military families, and what you do is you help them have a good Christmas. And I think that's awesome. I'm a big, let me know how you guys are, but as far as holidays, I'm a big Christmas nut. I turn into a serious Santa Claus when it comes to Christmas time. I don't know, it's just one of those months that always had good feelings, always had good memories when I was a kid. I mean, my birthday's in December, so maybe that is another reason about that, but yeah, so I'm just really, really into Christmas, and I just get very much wanting to give in that giving. So one of the things I think would be awesome is, like I said, is kind of doing that, kind of helping out less fortunate military families provide an outstanding Christmas for their families, or for their kids, etc. Yeah, so what do you guys do? Do you guys do anything? Do you guys do any kind of charities? Any kind of volunteer work? Let me know. Leave them down in the comments. I'd be interested to hear kind of what other people are doing to donate their time and money. So I want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press that like button. If you haven't already, please press that subscribe button.